Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Mother's Day special. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms around the world. You are special. You are special for all of us. We are nothing without you. So I want everyone to make this day special. You make anything, it is up to you. So this is just some ideas I have given in this blog how you can make your Mother's Day special. So let's start. So today I will make chocolate cake, and that to be with this Oreo biscuit. You can take any chocolate biscuit or normal biscuits also. So we will make the cake with some fun. So what you have to do, I took a roller to break the biscuits inside this packet. You can also take a roller or anything to crush the biscuits inside this packet. So let's start it. Hit me, hit me, hit me, biscuit, hit me, hit me, hit me, biscuit. This biscuits is saying hit me, hit me, hit me. So we have to hit like this. Now just open the packet and see the condition. Wow! Now it's completed. It's completely crushed. Now the biscuit is completely ready. You can see. Now we will add half teaspoon of baking powder. Now we will mix it, and after that we will add some water. So we will add slowly. So as you can see, according to the need, I am using water. Now it is ready. This is the consistency. You can see it. This is the consistency of this batter. Now I took a container, and by using oil I will grease it. Now I will pour the butter. Now we will on the gas. We will keep iron pan. And this stand, and we will keep it for preheat. So we have to wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will see that it is completely preheated, and we will keep our container. And cover it with any utensil. Now we have to wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will see whether it is ready or not. As it is ready, but still I will check it by using a spoon. You can see it's completely ready. It's not sticky. That means it is completely ready. As you can see, the cake is slow fluffy. Now we will decorate it. I used chocolate sauce and some cherries. Now I grease some chocolates, as you can see, to decorate it. Now you can see how the cake is looking, and it is the best surprise in this Mother's Day to your mom. So I wish all will celebrate this Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. If you like my channel, just subscribe it, like, share, comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, and happy Mother's Day to all the moms around the world.